Hey ladies, this is V. Crowder and I'm here at District Harley-Davidson and we're going to make tomorrow night, Friday night, your night. Come out to our ladies' garage party and we're going to have some wine and we're going to have some gift bags and we're going to have a couple of things for you ladies to experience what we do here at District Harley-Davidson. We actually have Mike, the PhD, Master Tech. He's going to show you some tips on different things about the motorcycles. Mike, say hi to the ladies.
Hello ladies. Yeah, come on down. We're going to have a couple bikes set up. We're going to have one with some parts laid out, explain the parts and what they do and what they are. And we're going to have another bike set up to explain the basic service, battery, charging system, putting air in the tires, that kind of thing. And then we'll just open up the floor for questions. And come on down. Looking forward to seeing y'all. Let's have a good time.
That's right, ladies. So come on out. We're going to have some discount prices on some things in motor clothes. We're going to have some discounted parts. We're going to have some wine tasting and a good time. Again, this is V. Crowder, District Harley-Davidson.